Want to make her crave you instantly, even if you've just met? Most guys rush things and miss the key to unlocking her deepest desires, foreplay. But if you master these 7 seduction moves, you'll turn her on like never before. Watch till the end, and she'll be begging for more. Confidence is the first thing a woman notices about a man. It's not about arrogance or showing off. It's about the quiet assurance in how you move, speak, and hold yourself. When you walk into a room, own it. Maintain eye contact, stand tall, and don't fidget. Women are naturally drawn to men who exude certainty. They want someone who knows his worth, not someone seeking approval. Your energy should say, "I belong here," not, "I hope I'm good enough." The more comfortable you are in your skin, the more attractive you become. Body language is just as important as words. The way you position yourself, the way you move, it all speaks volumes. Open body language shows confidence. Avoid crossing your arms, looking down, or making yourself small. Instead, take up space. Slow, deliberate movements indicate control. A slight smirk, a raised eyebrow, a relaxed stance. These small details create an aura of confidence that women find irresistible. The way you speak matters just as much. A deep, controlled voice with a measured pace is far more attractive than rushed or uncertain speech. Speak as though your words have weight. There's no need to rush to fill silence. Pauses create intrigue. They make you seem like a man who thinks before he speaks, which is rare and desirable. A well-placed pause, a confident gaze, these things build tension, and tension creates attraction. Humor is a powerful tool. It disarms, it engages, and it creates instant chemistry. But not all humor is equal. Self-deprecating humor can be effective, but only when used sparingly. If overdone, it signals insecurity. Sarcasm, when subtle and well-timed, creates playful tension. Teasing, done with charm, invites flirtation. The key is delivery. A confident smirk, a pause before the punchline, the ability to laugh at yourself without seeking validation. These elements make humor seductive. Listening is often overlooked, but is one of the most magnetic qualities a man can have. Most men listen to respond. Few listen to understand. Women can tell the difference. When she speaks, don't just wait for your turn. Absorb her words. React to her emotions, not just her statements. Mirror her energy. If she's excited, reflect that excitement. If she's serious, lower your tone and match her depth. This kind of engagement creates intimacy, and intimacy fuels attraction. Touch is another layer of attraction, not in an overt, aggressive way, but in subtle, natural moments. A light touch on the small of her back as you guide her through a doorway. A brush of your fingers against hers when handing her something. A playful nudge when teasing her. These fleeting touches create subconscious sparks. They establish comfort and familiarity. When done correctly, they make physical connection feel effortless rather than forced. Mystery is often undervalued. Most men reveal too much too soon. They overshare, trying to impress, but in doing so, they remove all intrigue. Women are drawn to men who have layers, men who reveal themselves gradually. Answer questions but not fully. Offer glimpses of depth, not full explanations. Make her curious. Curiosity leads to pursuit, and pursuit deepens attraction. A man who isn't an open book is a man who remains exciting. Independence is essential. A man who has his own passions, goals, and direction is infinitely more attractive than a man who makes a woman the center of his world. Women don't want to be your purpose. They want to be drawn into your purpose. When you have your own ambitions, your own drive, and your own sense of fulfillment, you radiate a different kind of energy, one that women gravitate toward. A man who doesn't need validation is a man who naturally commands respect. Challenge is part of attraction. Women don't want things handed to them, they want to earn them. If you're too available, too eager, too accommodating, you become predictable, and predictability kills excitement. Be warm, be engaging, but also be a challenge. Tease her, make her qualify herself, make her invest in the interaction. When a woman feels she's winning over a man of high value, the attraction intensifies. This is why aloofness, when balanced with playfulness, works so well. Physical appearance plays a role, but not in the way most men think. It's not about being the most muscular or the best looking. It's about presentation. Well-fitted clothes, good grooming, and a signature scent elevate your presence. A sharp, well-put-together man signals self-respect. It's not about vanity. It's about how you carry yourself. Details matter. The way your clothes fit, the way your hair is styled, the confidence in your walk, all of these add up. Emotional control is another critical factor. A man who is easily rattled, who overreacts, who lets his emotions dictate his actions, this is unattractive. Women want a man who is steady, composed, and in control. Not emotionless, but balanced. A man who can navigate stress with a calm demeanor. A man who isn't thrown off by small setbacks. This kind of emotional strength is rare, and it commands respect. Dominance, when expressed correctly, is one of the most attractive traits. This doesn't mean aggression or control, it means certainty. Leading with confidence, making decisions without hesitation, and knowing what you want. Women respond to men who take charge. A simple, let's go instead of, where do you want to go? A firm but playful touch. A decisive move when the moment is right. These things create an air of authority that women find deeply attractive. Passion is magnetic. A man who speaks about something with intensity, whether it's his work, his hobbies, or his dreams, is captivating. Passion is energy, and energy is contagious. When you talk about something you love, you become more animated, more engaging. Women are drawn to men who have a fire within them. A man without passion is a man without presence. Storytelling is another overlooked skill. The way you tell a story, the way you pace it, the way you build suspense, these things make conversations compelling. A good storyteller captivates attention. He creates emotional highs and lows. He makes the mundane sound intriguing. A well-told story holds a woman's interest in a way facts and small talk never could. Presence is about being fully engaged in the moment, not distracted, not thinking ahead, not lost in your own thoughts. When you're with a woman, be with her. Look her in the eyes. React to her energy. Let your focus be undivided. This kind of presence is intoxicating because it's rare. Most people are elsewhere, mentally. A man who is fully present is a man who makes an impact. Scarcity creates value. A man who is too available loses appeal. This doesn't mean playing games. It means having a life that doesn't revolve around seeking attention. If you're always there, always responding instantly, always making yourself easy to get, you become less desirable. A man who is selective, whose time is valuable, whose presence isn't guaranteed, this is a man who is sought after. Leadership, even in small ways, is attractive. It's not about dominance for its own sake. It's about being the kind of man who others naturally look to. Decision-making, taking initiative, having a clear vision, these things create an aura of authority. Women respect men who can lead, whether it's in a social setting, in a conversation, or in life. Growth is necessary. A man who is stagnant, who isn't learning, evolving, or improving, becomes dull. Women are drawn to men who are constantly bettering themselves, whether it's developing a new skill, expanding knowledge, or improving physically and mentally. Growth creates excitement. It signals ambition, and ambition is attractive. The ability to remain composed under pressure, to handle conflict with grace, to navigate challenges without losing control, this is strength, not just physical, but mental and emotional strength. Women want a man who can be a rock, a source of stability, someone who can handle adversity without crumbling. Social intelligence matters. Knowing how to read a room, how to engage people, how to carry a conversation without awkwardness, these are skills that elevate your presence. A man who can navigate social settings with ease becomes instantly more attractive. He makes others comfortable, he knows how to build rapport, and he understands the nuances of communication. Mastering all these elements makes a man truly magnetic. It's not about any single factor, but about the combination. Confidence, humor, mystery, presence, passion, leadership, these things, when cultivated together, create a presence that women are naturally drawn to. When you embody these traits, attraction becomes effortless. Women will feel it, respond to it, and be drawn to you without you having to chase. And that is the ultimate key.